That's the house I'm staying for 3 days. Looks fantastic. For 350, you have a bunk bed. At the same time, free breakfast, and they give you amenities: shampoo, shoe, toothbrush, and paste. Really nice. Super nice. You cannot miss this deal actually. 7 o'clock. See how the place looks like. Looks awesome. There's the sunset. There's our view. There is my dinner. You can see lumpia and chicken sausage, 2 eggs and rice. And this is my workstation. Everything worked up. Wi-Fi connected. I'm ready to go. Look at that, how beautiful this place is. No one here except me. Dinner time. Cheers. Fantastic. That is a early morning, around 6:30 right now. Wow. We are getting breakfast with my friend over here. Today I tried a coffee. Good day cappuccino. Not bad. I'm not a very good coffee drinker, but still I liked it.
Okay.
It's a simple village. Morning 7 o'clock. Looks like this right now. And the sunrise from this side. Upstairs have accommodation. Downstairs have a shop. Here you can buy all the clothes for children, everything. And you have a school stationaries over here. A lot of Crocs over here. Small slippers and some clothes over here. Lot of Crocs again. Buy some shoes, some small souvenir, all the sweets, candies. You have some chips, a lot of ice creams. Hot liquor, it's not mine, but still. You have fresh egg, medicine, all medicines, daily use. Apart from that, you have a soft drinks. Royal is my favorite. You have a cup noodles, instant noodles, so many varieties over here. Mineral water, fudgy bar, all the canned goods. This shop open 5 o'clock in the morning. They close at 8 o'clock. They take care of very well this place. Have a look. It looks like a living room. This place have a Starlink internet, very high speed. Electricity, they use only solar panel, which is sufficient. I'm staying here almost 4 days. There is no issue with the electricity. For this accommodation, the water comes from this well. You can see from here. This is the well providing water source. It almost costs 22,000 to make this well. From here, the blue pipe going under the ground, and the blue pipe going up. There's a top, have a tank. So this is how they get the water source. And in this place there is no ATM. You can use cash or GCash. They accept GCash. Everywhere you can pay by GCash. That's the main thing. So you bring money or use GCash. Now the time for fly my drone to capture the beauty of this island. Look at that. The guest house located right in the middle of the island, so you can go anywhere very easily. The beach only 50 meters from the guest house. Such a beautiful island with a super nice local people. I highly recommend this island and the guest house for everyone. One more things guys, this guest house have a 2 single room, comes with a queen bed and private bathroom. It will cost you 1000 pesos per day. On this evening, there is a lighthouse on the mountain caught my eye, so I want to take a closer look. It looks so beautiful, completely powered by solar panel. The LED was bright at night, you can see all over. Look at that, how beautiful it is. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. The look of the guest house, absolutely mind-blowing. This is the evening look like. Everybody singing song.